Hello everyone. Here is an update on Tropical Storm Norma. Life-threatening flash flooding occurring in western Mexico. A tropical storm warning is in effect from Santa Fe to San Evaristo and from Huatabampito to Mazatlan. At 9 a.m. Mountain Time, Tropical Storm Norma was centered 130 miles west of Culiacan, Mexico. Norma is moving toward the north-northeast at 5 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds are 60 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure is 990 millibars. Norma is currently centered over the Gulf of California. The system will make landfall in Sinaloa late tonight. Rainfall amounts of 6 to 12 inches, with localized amounts up to 18 inches are possible along the path of Norma. This could result in flash flooding and mudslides. Norma will continue to weaken as it interacts with land today, and is expected to dissipate as a tropical system tonight after making landfall. We will continue to monitor Norma, and will post additional updates as the storm impacts western Mexico. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, kindly subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on future weather alerts.